Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have the Peppa Pig's Space Rocket Doll. This set is for kids ages 3 years old and up. And the packaging, look, it's shaped like a rocket ship. And this is from Kennel Toys. Alright, let's open it up. Here we have Peppa Pig's mold in red, Susie Sheep in pink, we got George and his dinosaur in blue, and Danny Dog in green. We have 2 cans of mold. Each can has 80 grams of dough. We have yellow. The lid has a mold of Rebecca Rabbit. Let's see what's in pink. So this is the pink dough. On the lid we have Candy Cat. Here is our molding tools. Blue and pink. A rocket ship cutter in pink. And a star cutter in blue. And this is the extruder. The body is blue and the plunger is yellow. In this set, we only have 2 available colors, which is yellow and pink. So it is your choice if you want to add more colors of dough or whatever type of dough you like to add. And for me, I'm gonna add a Play-Doh sparkle dough. First, I'm gonna mold Pepa with the pink Play-Doh. How we can use this. Cool, it's hot pink. Let's put them on the side so we have more space for molding. And here is Pepa. Pepa. Let's make Peppa's mouth. Nose. We just made Peppa Pig. Next we have Danny Dog. And with Danny Dog, I'm gonna use a sparkly purple Play-Doh. We got the sparkly Danny Dog. Let's add some details first on his ball with dots of orange. dog's mouth? That's a big smile. Here is Danny Dog. Woof woof. Next we have Susie Sheep. With Susie Sheep, I'm gonna use a light pink sparkly Play-Doh. Here is the sparkly Susie Sheep. Here is Susie Sheep, George and his dinosaur. In the dinosaur, we're gonna use a sparkly green Play-Doh. Yeah, we made George and his dinosaur. Rawr. Here is George. Next we're gonna mold Rebecca Rabbit. Yellow dough. We just made Rebecca Rabbit. Next we're gonna mold Candy Cat. Candy Cat.
Rocket Ship.
Rocket Ship with orange Play-Doh.
It's orange.
Here's our orange rocket ship. Blast off! Next, we're gonna make snacks for everyone. Do you know what it is?
What is it?
I'm not telling. You need to guess.
What is
Can you find me a plate so we can put our snacks in? Thank you.
my green plate?
Yeah.
My
it's your
green
plate.
plate can help.
Yeah. Okay, we'll make our snacks now.
It's noodles.
Noodles.
What is it?
Yeah, it is noodles.
I guessed.
So what is this?
We're making video. Quiet.
This snack starts with letter S.
Spaghetti.
Yay, it's spaghetti! Let's put pretend sauce. Spaghetti for everyone! Thank you guys for watching!
I love you, Mommy.
Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.
I want to say have a good one.
Okay.
Have a good one.